Let's review about Carl Jung's theories on personality. These are the foundational to psychology, particularly his concepts of personality types and the collective unconscious. Here are some key traits and concepts associated with Jung's personality theory. Number one is introversion and extroversion. Introversion focus on internal thoughts and feelings, recharged by spending time alone, while extroversion focus on the external world, gain energy from social interactions. Number two, thinking and feeling. Thinking, decision making based on logic and objective criteria. Feeling, decision making influenced by personal values and emotional impact on others. Number three, sensing and intuition. Sensing, preference for concrete, present realities, focus on tangible facts and details. Intuition, preference for abstract possibilities, focus on patterns, meanings, and future potential. Number four, judging and persevering or perceiving. Judging, preference for structure, planning, and decisiveness. Perceiving, it's a preference for flexibility, spontaneity, and openness to new information. Number five, archetypes. Universal symbols and themes in the collective unconscious, such as hero, the shadow, and the anima. Individualization or individuation. Number six, individuation. The process of integrating different parts of the self, leading to personal growth and self-realization. Number seven is persona. The social mask one wears in public, representing the outward identity presented to the world. And number eight, shadow. The unconscious part of the personality that contains repressed weaknesses, desires, and instincts. Number nine is anima or animus. The feminine aspect of the male psyche anima and the masculine aspect of the female psyche animus, representing the inner opposite gender. So these traits and concepts form the basis for understanding personality in Jungian psychology and have influenced various modern personality assessments such as Myers-Briggs Type Indicator or MBTI.